Introducing Exchief, your most trusted digital asset platform. Exchief provides a cryptocurrency trading platform for traders globally. Exchief not only has the best user-friendly interface that allows users to convert fiat to cryptocurrency and vice versa at comparatively lower transaction fees, but also provides a peer-to-peer platform for cryptocurrency buyers and sellers. The integration of multiple payment options facilitates the conversion of e-coins to mobile money. It gives users the opportunity to deposit funds into their local bank accounts within a few minutes. Exchief is flexible and easy to use. It works on every PC, tablet, and mobile. You can open and close the trade in just one click of the button. Exchief provides various market options to trade: BTC, USDT, ETH, LTC, CAC, and many more, with services like globalization layout and high-level security systems to protect your assets. At Exchief, we help make all your transfers and payments fast, easy, and convenient. So, how to use it? Open the invitation poster or invitation link from your referral. Simply click on the link and hit the Sign On button. A registration window will pop up. Fill in the essential information. You'll receive a confirmation code on the specified mail or phone number. Enter the verification code and complete the account creation process. The next step is to complete a simple KYC verification process. Click on the profile on the top right corner, press the Change button on the ID verification, and upload a picture of a passport or any government-issued ID and a selfie with the selected ID. To set your payment method, click on your account profile and click on Fiat settings to add the payment method you'll use in receiving payments. Fill in the payment and personal details with a given code and click Submit to proceed. To publish an ad, click Fiat and hit the Publish Ad button to publish. Then you can decide whether you're buying or selling an ad. Select the currency type you want to buy or sell. Fill in the information if you're placing a selling ad, and make sure to fill in the currency type and the available currency amount you're advertising. Set the max and minimum price limits and select the payment method you'll be accepting. Also, you can fill in the number of days you want the ad to run and how many minutes within which a buyer should make payment after accepting your ad offer. After that, you can publish your ad. To buy from OTC Market, click Fiat and select the currency you want to buy. Choose country, payment method to use, and fiat currency. Anybody selling will pop up, and you can then click on the Buy button to proceed. The next step is to make deposits to the account. You have to click on Balances, Exchange Account, and select the cryptocurrency you would like to deposit. You can do that by scanning the QR code. Once the deposit is confirmed and added, you're all set to start trading. Now it's time to withdraw the profit from the account anytime in 4 easy steps. Click Balances, Digital Account, select the cryptocurrency you'd like to withdraw, add withdrawal address, and click the Save button. To withdraw from your account, click on the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, select the address from your saved list or enter a new one, input the amount you wish to withdraw, and click on Confirm to initiate the withdrawal process. To transfer your profit from a digital account to an OTC account, click Balance, Transfer to OTC account, select the name of the currency and order amount, and click Confirm. The money will transfer from your digital account to your OTC account. CAC means China Africa Coin. It's a stable digital coin and a mode of payment on both CA Mall and Exchief. To buy or sell CAC, click on Fiat and select either the Buy or Sell option, the countries from which you want to see your ads from, and select the payment method and currency you wish to see. After, enter the amount you wish to buy and click Confirm to complete your order. And that's not it. Exchief comes with multiple earning options. You can earn up to 60% commission by referring Exchief to your friends with the affiliate program. You would need to share your link to your friends with an invitation code to register in order to earn commissions. Click on Affiliate. You'll see the requirements for becoming a partner, the number of invited people, the transaction commission, and bonuses. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now and open the window for unlimited earnings with Exchief.